I bafethu bezikhala this week Omni Audio Africa sonke besicomplaina ngama PSL awards. Why kanti bangasenzi lama award lawa abe live ama category wakhona the winners, the people that were nominated. It's been a busy week here on Omni Audio Africa. Asiqale ngeformer Orlando Pirates dribbling wizard uSifiso Mtsunda Myeni. He had a lot to say about these awards. Now he's just not happy with how the awards are handled and how they were organized. The last time the awards made sense was when the players could dress up baba kuma red carpet, be in the same space. Imagine nihleli nonke as the nominees lapayana wishing each other well. So Sifiso Myeni had quite a lot to say. Izwa what you think?
No man, it's not fair. I think for me personally, as a player, you want to be recognized. You know, we know it's now we are living in an area or in another life whereby a digital took over. You understand? You know, you as a player, you have to know that just dressing up and going to be nominated in the awards and going there and seeing the players, because at first you used to be nominated with other players and then you sit with them and then you have that thing. That's why even now you see the likes of when you do in overseas the Ballon d'Or. You know, it's not digital. So now manje the awards have been done and it takes time, man. I don't think the PSL, I'm not sure why, but it takes time now. I think we all know that after the last game, who's playing the last game, in that week, yes, we know there's preparations that need to happen, but that can be done before. You know, after the last game, maybe a week, and after 2 weeks, we can just go in and make the awards so that everyone is there. Because manje asaz guti sazi kanjani ukuthi cause sibona abanye ba send ama video kusho ukuthi bebazi ukuthi bawinile angazi madoda. Let's talk about it. We don't know. You understand? So it becomes something that did people know before, or what should happen, or all the three people who are nominated babathatha ama video ukuthi isho bangabuya wina, which is, I think it's not fair for me. So sharp man. I think for us we have to go back to lezo zinto lezo, and coming to kulento le kulma yabo, it gets me to another thing of saying Pirates won, yes, but for me personally, I'm not happy with how the awards have been done. You know, sis sibona bantu. I watched the awards ngavela ngawayeka ngabheka banyana, and then I just went to social media ngithi bayakhuluma social media who won, who didn't win, why so and so on, because of it didn't have that thing. You know, we want that thing of people going up to the stage. A red carpet important in fact. We understand that. So I think we can engage about them. I know a lot of people have issues, but I have something. I think we need to go back to those days whereby you meet everyone there, we clap hands for you. Manje skon awazi ukuthi sikujabulele or asikujabulelanga about that award. Yeah.
And then our very own controversial son, Nkuli Soka, he also came to studio, had a lot to say about the awards. Yena, one thing he's not happy about is the nominations. Nkuli Soka, yena, he believes Ozone Police deserve to be footballer of the season ahead of Relebohile Mofokeng, but into kale ngaya kakhulu is Relebohile Mofokeng winning young player of the season again. Nkuli Rocky. This is what he had to say.
So sibonile izolo bafethu ama PSL awards, Relebohile Mofokeng ne Orlando Pirates ba dominateile. Well deserved bafethu, to be honest, ukuthi Relebohile Mofokeng abe but khona ama awards bafethu questionable. Sibuzile nathi ukuthi hey, why usibani banathola le award leli, but amajita we Orlando Pirates ngoba yiwo ama defending champions bafethu, I mean bekumele ba dominate. Relebohile Mofokeng win players player of the season, kusho ukuthi ama player ku Betway Premiership amvumile bafethu win footballer of the season, abantu abaningi bamvotela, and then wawina young player of the season guy 3 manje bafethu 3 years straight win Rocky Award. Bafethu kungadlalwa ngathi phela le award leli lokhu introduce umuntu umfana omncane. Relebohile Mofokeng uyi superstar, is already established bafethu, udlala ko World Cup ko Bafana udlala even go CAF Champions League manje ule ne Belgium, but ke Congratulations to wonke umuntu Orlando Pirates okwazile ukuwina iaward. Ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusijoina whether ku Facebook, ku TikTok, ku live ku YouTube nisibuza ama question screenini Brian lapha umduba futhi uzofaka inamba engizoshange WhatsApp kuleyo number leyo whether ninama question or nifuna ku engage nathi or nifuna ukungifonela live kusho ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ezama football fans khona iziningi izinto bafethu esingavumelani yabo. So le dialogue it's not like ukuthi yonke into ngisho i-gospel truth yabo, sifuna nina nikwazi ukujoina i-conversation. So
but save the best for last bafethu. Mina I had a lot to say. Niyangazi, I call a spade a spade. Ngikhalile mina ngize ngiyasho ngithi these awards are going to lose substance if the PSL carries on ngalama awards the way bawo handle ngakhona. I'm telling you, abantu abaningi angeke basawabheka, abantu bazowabona njengama summer awards nama metro awards. This is what Mdusbeko had to say about the awards bafethu. Nothing personal, just to suggest ukuthi izinto zibe ngcono. The PSL awards are starting to lose substance, and the more PSL yaqhubeka wayenza ngalendlela ewenza ngayo lama award, I'm telling you azoqala ukubhora, and a lot of fans are going to lose interest, teams are going to lose interest, and then before we know it asena ama PSL awards angazi ukuthi ubani obhayiza. I don't know if it's the PSL organizing committee or if it's the decision makers about decide ukuthi lama award lawa ahostwe ngalendlela hostwe ngawe, but the way bawa hosta ngakhona bawenza ukuthi angasabaluleki kithi, bayenza ukuthi singasabi nomdladla wokwabheka lama award, because I mean yini lento besibhekile izolo athe mawaqala lama award labana ngibona ama presenter for smile le nyasho ukuthi yeba nakwenzakalani na bafethu. South African football so sesithathe serious nini. The way the awards were organized was poor. The way the awards were executed was also poor. When will we have a live event? Why can't kungabi ne live event? All the clubs are invited, and it also doesn't make sense that kuba nama awards where PSL E1 and then Hollywood Super League le amantombazana wona ama award wabo anini. Why kungabi ama award I1 in one night? And also, why doesn't the women's division also fall under the PSL? It only makes sense ukuthi mawuthi Premier Soccer League there's a division yabantu besifazane bese kuba nale division lena yamajita, they all come in one room, kube nama presenter, kube nabantu abangena ba presenter ama award, kube nabantu abayenza nama nominees, zonke lezo zinto lezo, but we didn't see it lento leyo yenzeka in many years. The division between the PSL, SAFA and the women's league is say obvious. And as you know, bafethu talent lala Omni Audio Africa liningi. We also had Ulirato, the Kosi Queen. She also had a few things to say about the awards. But I pelelanga la about Thuso Phala also came in studio and he had a few things to say about the Kaizer Chiefs. Thuso Phala has advised Lomfana Nomfundo Vilakazi to keep his head up as he is the future prospect for Kaizer Chiefs. Omni Audio Africa begubhizi beziwa begumnande. This is the home of legends. Mafuni bolo lihluhlube or lihlahlube angazi bathini ngezulu ngendlela emnandi ozala. Thank you Cerealist Breakfast is ready for you to eat.
Bafethu asikhulumeni ngolibona Siyema bafethu i-defender Orlando Pirates bafethu. I think ukuthi uLebo Siyema uyayideserve le defender of the season. Njengoba nibonile izolo ukuthi guys uwinile i-award. For me I think ukuthi uyayideserve because of Siyema was consistent bafethu the whole season. You remember ukuthi uTLB was there njengoba kade bamthengile bampheka no Sibisi, and then uTLB wayibamba zicine, uTLB bamthengisa bamisa le ku-MLS. uSiyema athazini le position yayibamba eyami and he was consistent. So guys ngiyanitshela bafethu ngicela ukuthi nje kuphela umona phansi uLebo Siyema uyadeserve le award bafethu. Mina for mina I don't think khona enye defender olukuthi iyadeserve le award kubhetwe premiership lesiphuma kuwe bafethu. And for uSiyema I think going forward he must stay like that. Asiphe lento asiphe yona last season, ingabi lento ukuthi okay last season he was doing well, kule season uba kanje. I know ukuthi ukubhetwe premiership it's very hard ngoba khona abanye ama team vele olukuthi akanoyenza izinto zenzakala, uthola ukuthi defense yenu ayibi right, iba shaky nyana, you lose those shape and all the stuff. But for mina angazi ukuthi ngicabangani uSiyema uyadeserve bafethu, ayekho omunye umuntu or mina ngifuna ukungitshela ukuthi khona omunye umuntu odeserve le award. For me Siyema, my guy, you deserve this award. Bafethu ngicela ukuthi sikhulume ngefootball of the season. Ngiyazi abantu bazothi no guys akumele ukuthi sibe nomona nani, but guys I think our police deserve that thing guys. Don't take me in a bad way ukuthi urile nani. Our police he deserve that award. Why I'm saying that guys? Our police the time they introduced him to Orlando Pirates. Where's this into zenzaki? You remember our police the first game that he played badlala noPulukwane City. And he was consistent. And the other thing I'm confused ukuthi okay lama award kahle niphana wo kanjani, because remember ukuthi urile first season urile he didn't give us lento le esiyaziyo, we didn't see lo rile simaziyo, and then second of the season that's where urile vela buma bafethu. But for me our police He deserved that award bafethu. Police was consistent Orlando Pirates. Police nakatabula Orlando Pirates ubona ukuthi Orlando Pirates ana plan. Police senzeni aphakamisa isandla thini la. And then awina amanye ama match ubona ukuthi Pirates akunanto bangayenza. Police babamfaka lapha ayenza izinto ukuthi zenzeke. But for me I think lapha police bafethu bamrobhile. Le award umfukeng awubuyisele award before police now uyazi.
Mfundo Vilakazi mfana. It was nice, you know, when I met him at the Toyota Cup, and I actually said to him that, boy, I'll see you at the corner flag. And he delivered. He went to the corner flag. Because I feel like this is your season, Montwana. Season for you to score goals. I believe you're going to start more games. Watching the Toyota Cup, your positive mindset you had towards the game. Always going forward. Agna style ukuthi move, getting into the box, forcing things to happen. You are forward, and that creativity was needed. So I was very happy with that, and I believe that this could be a very bright and successful season for you. You're gonna get more goals. The more times you get to the box, the more time you forced out, going forward, trying to make things happen, and it will happen for you. And with the structure that's there at Kaizer Chiefs, it's just waiting for you to shine, Twana. So. This is your season, and hopefully you get the games under your belt and you score the goals that you promised me, ne? Nandi.